I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. So this week we have seen that the bulls were in full action and Nifty touched a fresh all-time high, along with which Bank Nifty also touched a new all-time high. But before we proceed, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. So we have seen that any small declines have been utilized for buying this week. But then again, towards the end, on the last trading session of the week, we have seen that there has been some profit booking decline. But then again, it is just a cool off and nothing to worry about. India VIX had sunk down to 10.6 levels, which indicates that the bulls are in complete comfortable position. Now, volatility was there within a very small and tight range, but then again, the upside looks quite positive for both the indices. So for levels per se, we are looking at 22,750 as a immediate level, and then the lifetime high, and then 22,850 zones for Nifty. As a support zone, 22,350 would be a crucial level to watch out for. Talking about Bank Nifty, 49,500 would be the next level to watch out for, with a crucial support at 48,500 zones. Now, talking about the sectors, we have seen that this week the sectors were more or less positive with some profit booking decline. But then again, the auto space has been resiliently strong from the last few series. So this is one sector to watch out for, which is looking quite positive, and some of the private banks are also looking quite positive for the coming week. So these are the two sectors which will take a lot of limelight. Along with that, some selective real estate space and the metal counters are looking quite positive. This is it for this week. See you next time.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.